What is up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video on high altitude investing. In today's video, I am going to be talking about altcoin season is about to ramp up crazy. You guys, the altcoins are about to explode. We have Bitcoin crashing a little bit right now, so I'm going to run over the price action and what's going to go on from here. Before we get started though, if you guys aren't a subscriber to my channel yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, as well as sharing these videos with your friends. I really appreciate every like, every comment, and everybody that is subscribed to this channel. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So as you guys know, I am very bullish on Dogecoin, and this is one of the projects that I see carrying the entire altcoin market throughout this alt season. You guys, people are panic selling Bitcoin right now like crazy, and this is a really good time to be watching the altcoins. And the reason I say this is because during the last altcoin season, we've started to get a little bit of an alt season here, with Ethereum taking off, Dogecoin taking off, and a lot of the other projects. But when the real mania of the alt season comes, there's always a crash in Bitcoin right before. This happened in 2017. Bitcoin saw a massive panic, and that's when the altcoins were primed to take off. What was actually interesting is when Bitcoin saw its massive panic, the altcoins did not crash very hard. As you can see, Dogecoin, Ethereum, a lot of the different altcoins are not crashing as hard as you might think they would. We can actually take this over here and we could add 4 charts to our screen, especially if you have TradingView Pro. And I can show you how Ethereum itself is doing very well right now, even during the crash in Bitcoin. Ethereum has not fell nearly as hard as Bitcoin. Let's go ahead and look at Litecoin. Litecoin has not fell nearly as hard as Bitcoin during this period of time either, you guys. It's just testing major support. Bitcoin is honestly the one that is crashing the hardest right now, and it's going to recover. I absolutely expect Bitcoin to recover and go towards the 100K level that we've discussed multiple times on this channel, all the way back since 2017. I was talking about these prices of Bitcoin headed to 100K. And you guys, it's just interesting to me that XRP is holding its value extremely well. Dogecoin is holding its value extremely well. Ethereum and Litecoin are holding their value pretty well. Maybe not quite as good as Dogecoin or XRP, but you guys, this just goes to show that there's a lot of money being moved out of Bitcoin right now into the altcoin markets. And this is an exciting point inside of the cycle that's extremely profitable and something that we can definitely take advantage of. So Dogecoin is one of my biggest positions of all time right now. And I'm very excited about this project. I'm very excited about the price action, specifically where the prices are going. I know Dogecoin has a lot of haters on the fundamental aspect. Elon Musk did tweet out just the other day that he's reaching out to developers to work on developing on Dogecoin. So that's definitely something to keep in mind. I really don't think it's going to stay at the current software level. I imagine there'll be updates in the future, but I'm not a fundamental trader. I made a video yesterday that you guys should absolutely check out on my channel, basically teaching you guys 5 mistakes every single cryptocurrency trader should avoid. So this is a very informative video. If you would just follow those 5 things, you'll be better than the majority of the market. So right now, people are panic selling. One of the things I talk about in that video is that during the times of panic, you need to be buying, and during the times of greed, you need to be selling. Right now is absolutely a time for buying inside of the altcoin markets. And honestly, inside of Bitcoin as well. I know a lot of people are really scared of Bitcoin. A lot of people are thinking that Bitcoin is done. A lot of people are very concerned about the FUD around Bitcoin. You guys, FUD is called FUD for a reason. Fear, uncertainty, and doubt. It's not based in reality. It's based in people that are scared, people that are acting based on human emotions, and they do not have a clear mind. And for me personally, really the lowest I see Bitcoin going in a crash would be this level right here, and that would be about 32,000. And I honestly don't think we'll go there, but if we do, that's going to be another great buying opportunity for Bitcoin. And if it did go to that level, what I personally expect to have happen afterwards is a massive 5-wave that will head towards that $100,000 level that we've talked about over and over again with Bitcoin. And then, of course, we'll probably get some type of a end of summer correction. July, August tends to be a corrective time. And I expect Bitcoin during that corrective time to find support and get ready for even higher prices. I do not think that 100,000 will be the top of this cycle. I expect it to go higher than even the $100,000 level. So overall, even with the fear inside of Bitcoin, even with the fear inside of some of the altcoins, I am not selling. I am taking buying actions. I am ready for more profits. I'm ready for more continuation of these uptrends, and I'm ready to see a lot of green candles coming inside of the markets. That's kind of my update for you guys today. A little bit shorter and also a little bit earlier. I'm going to be posting this one. It is my birthday today. Go follow me on Twitter. You guys can wish me happy birthday there if you like, or in the comments below. I really appreciate all of the likes and subscribers to this channel. And I'm very, very thankful for all of the people showing their support since I created this channel in 2016. It really means a lot to me. There's been times in my life where things went a little crazy, and I was always able to go to my YouTube channel, to go to my Discord and have a community, have people there that were supporting me and looking out for me. So huge thank you for that. I genuinely appreciate it. Thank you guys so much for tuning in today's video. If you're not a VIP member, go ahead and check the links in the description, highaltitudecrypto.com. You can click Become a VIP today, and I can help you get set up. It is an exclusive group. All you have to do is send me a Discord message or an email at highaltitudeinvesting@gmail.com, and I can walk you through the process of joining if you are ready to transform your trading portfolio and your profits inside of the cryptocurrency market. So thanks again for tuning in, and stay profitable out there.